Wow. Those clinical findings are compelling, aren't they? I love them. As a physician, I can say that I'm not only confident, but also hopeful for the positive impact this incredible MetaPWR system can have in people's lives. Now, in my office, I regularly see and share the prescription for optimal metabolic health. It's those 5 pillars that Dr. O shared earlier. It's healthy eating, daily movement, making sure that we have healthy human connections, managing stress, and of course, smart supplementation. But knowing the prescription and living it, well, I don't mind being real with all of you. We're all friends, right? And I'll admit that I know that I can do better with living that prescription as well. And today, I'm committing to myself and all of you, I'm going to continue on the path to better metabolic health. Now, who's with me? We can do this together. We can start today to change our health outcomes. Now, you've seen the power of these products, their formulations, the research, the testimonials. The only question remains is, well, how do I get started? How do I exactly use the system? Well, my answer is going to depend upon where you're at in your own health journey, who you are, and the things that you as an individual are trying to accomplish. So let's say that you're someone that works out every day for an hour, combining both cardio and resistance training. You eat very cleanly. I'm going to recommend that you use the system one way. Or maybe you're someone who's ready to make some significant changes in your life and put all of this into action. So while you're dusting off that treadmill and improving some dietary habits, I'm going to recommend that you use the products in a different way. So let's walk a day in the running shoes of our first individual. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah's amazing. She gets up early every morning. She runs 20 minutes to the gym, does her strength training, and then runs the 20 minutes home. After her shower, she makes a protein shake for breakfast and takes her MetaPWR Advantage, a MetaPWR Softgel, and her LLV morning dose. Mid-morning, Sarah has a little craving, so she adds 2 to 3 drops of the MetaPWR blend to a large bottle of water and drinks it all to take the edge off of that craving. Later, Sarah meets up with her husband for lunch. Now, based on her order, she knows this will likely be her most heavy meal of the day. So, of course, she takes her MetaPWR Assist to help her metabolize those carbohydrates efficiently. Late afternoon, she might pop a MetaPWR beadlet in her mouth, chew the gum, or diffuse the MetaPWR blend to see her through the evening. Dinner is a nutrient-dense green salad and water with a few drops of the MetaPWR blend to wash down another MetaPWR Softgel, and of course, her second dose of her LLV. She uses lavender before bed to set the stage for a good night's sleep. Now, Sarah's amazing. But let's talk about our other example. We're going to call him Sam. Sam has had a little bit of a rough time over the last few years. He is now working from home most of the time, which puts him near his refrigerator most of the day. He walks regularly, but unfortunately, that path goes from his home office to his kitchen a little too often. His solution for managing the stress in his life has been eating some simple carbohydrates more often than he should. He's also not been sleeping very well due to the fact that he works late into the evenings most nights, which now is also affecting his marriage. Now, all of this started to show on the scale last year, but this year it's become very apparent that he needs to make some changes. He recognizes that he has some significant changes to make, and if he's going to get his health back on track and extend his lifespan, now is the time that he needs to do that. So in that first 30 to 90 days, a walk in Sam's shoes might look a little bit different than Sarah's running shoes. Sam gets up in the morning, and before breakfast, he takes his MetaPWR Assist, his MetaPWR Advantage, and LLV. He eats a balanced breakfast of farm-fresh eggs and a small piece of whole grain toast. Just before starting work, he takes a MetaPWR Softgel to help him get through his morning. But he also diffuses balance in his home office to create a calming environment and help him deal with the work stress a little bit better than he has been. Now, mid-morning, when he begins to crave that brown, sugary, carbonated beverage, he actually pops 1 to 2 beadlets in his mouth instead. He goes on a walk with his wife right before lunch. And when he comes home, he prepares a green salad with dressing and some croutons. He also takes another MetaPWR Assist. He reminds himself to drink more water, adding some drops of the MetaPWR blend to his drink flask before returning to his desk to continue working, sipping on this as he powers throughout the day. Mid-afternoon, Sam used to get tired and would typically munch on chips or another carb-heavy snack. But not anymore. He's a changed man. Now, he simply mixes another MetaPWR Advantage with water and reaches for the MetaPWR gum, enjoying the refreshing taste of the grapefruit, lemon, and peppermint. He steps away from his work now at about 4 p.m. and goes for a run for 45 minutes. He then hits his home weight set for 30 minutes before sitting down for dinner. Dinner consists largely of vegetables, chicken, and a small bread roll. And before dinner, he takes a MetaPWR Assist and the rest of his vitamins. At night before bed, he applies some petitgrain oil to the bottom of his feet and neck, and this ritual prepares him for a restful sleep throughout the night. Now, Sam is what we might call a super user of the MetaPWR system. He is trying to make significant changes and has a renewed commitment to a healthier lifestyle. At some point, he may accomplish his health goals and be able to decrease his use of the Assist and Advantage products to once daily. But for now, he needs that little extra support. So these two scenarios really are two ends of a spectrum. Remember, our current level of metabolic health is highly dynamic and largely, thankfully, under our own control. So you need to determine for yourself where you are on this spectrum and then where you want to go. Then begin or continue your journey to a healthier life. Extend your health span so that you can continue doing the things that you want to as you age. As Becca mentioned yesterday, this really is a simple 3-step system. So let's break down how you might use each step to attain your health goals. Step 1, eat a well-balanced whole food diet and add 1 or more of the MetaPWR Metabolic Blend products to your daily routine. You might use our 15 ml blend to diffuse to help with the mental shift of lifestyle change. You can take it internally, either with water or neat, if you enjoy the taste, and some like to use the oil topically when dry brushing or applying lotion. The MetaPWR beadlet and gum are created to be grab and go. I love this product for that reason. These were created as a convenient delivery system while you're on the go to help curb those cravings. When you chew 1 piece of gum, incidentally, you not only curb the cravings, but the chewing action actually burns calories as you chew that gum. The MetaPWR Softgels, you can take 1 with other vitamins or supplements 1 to 3 times daily. This delivery system was created for those who may be sensitive to the taste of MetaPWR blend, but still want to take it internally. Step 2, take 1 or 2 capsules of MetaPWR Assist 15 to 30 minutes before your largest meal of the day. Now, if you forget, as I do on occasion, you can actually take it with your meal if you didn't get that 15 to 30 minutes beforehand in. For extra support, or as a super user, it is safe to take 1 or 2 capsules with each meal of the day. But if you're only taking Assist once daily, remember to take it with your largest carb-heavy meal. Step 3, once a day, whenever you like, add 1 sachet of the MetaPWR Advantage to cold or room temperature water in a shaker bottle. Drink and enjoy. For those excited to be super users, you can safely use MetaPWR Advantage 2 or 3 times a day. Now, in closing, in my profession, I get a front row seat to the emotional and physical toll that poor metabolic health brings. I see patients, relationships, and families struggle with the effects of poor metabolic health. We, all of us in this room, have a significant opportunity to help alleviate suffering that is happening worldwide. Imagine if each of us in this room were able to help 10 people who were struggling with metabolic health and change the outcome of those people that we know and love. And then those 10 people were able to reach out and change the lives of 10 people that they know and love. That alone is 1 million lives affected, and it starts in this room right now. We have an opportunity here to change the world. I am excited to be taking this journey with you. Now let's up-level our metabolic health together. Now I know that you're all waiting to hear the announcement that Arya has been hinting at this morning, and that time is here. Please welcome to the stage doTERRA's Vice President of Global Brand and Product Marketing,
Talk about food. Who's hungry? Give me 3 more minutes and we can get you to lunch. If you weren't already super confident in this incredible new MetaPWR system, I'm sure you are after this session, right? But you might be thinking, how am I going to remember all of that? Well, the good news is that you don't have to remember it word for word or slide by slide, because today you can sign up for the new MetaPWR education course online. This comprehensive course is like having a one-on-one fireside chat with each of the experts that you've seen today. It features Dr. Hill, Dr. Osgathorpe, Dr. Stevens, Dr. Riggs, and soon to be Dr. Alex DeBell, along with many others. This education course is designed to meet you wherever you are in your level of interest in MetaPWR. We have the basic videos and the deep dive segments alike. This also makes it an excellent resource to share with others so that they too can learn about the remarkable system benefits of MetaPWR. It covers the science, the formulation, and the creation of these products. Let's take a look.
In our modern world, average life expectancies are higher than ever. But are we healthier than ever before?
Our lifestyle choices can extend our health span. Full stop.
One of the great things about MetaPWR, especially the essential oil blend, is its variety of delivery forms.
While most collagen nutraceutical products use only 1 or 2 collagen peptide types, MetaPWR Advantage contains 9 that each support different biological systems.
The NMN in MetaPWR Assist comes from yeast powder, and this ingredient is a precursor for NAD.
I'm confident you can and will experience profound and lasting effects on your health span and quality of life.
Welcome to the MetaPWR education course.
Are you ready to get started? I am thrilled to announce that this course is completely free and it's available right now. You can sign up at training.doterra.com or you can scan this QR